What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Took a couple losses today. Not upset at all. I thought I traded well, but the market just didn't want to go in the direction that I thought it would. So, um, kind of looking at today's trades, you can see the market executions look crazy. They're really not. It's just the choppiness of Asian session can make it appear like that, and also the way that I added to. So, first trade took at 8:03. Why did we take it at 8:03? The reason why is because let me go back on replay. The reason why we took it on 8:03 was because I like these candles, right? I like the way we were going. First, are we bullish or bearish? We're bullish, right? So we did pull back here. That's fine. So I guess you could say the session trend is bearish overall because we opened here. Let me delete this real quick so you can see. Opened here, went up, came back, pulled back, right? So for me, we're bullish on the day, right? So that's fine. Also, what I love to see here is a double bottom, which we did get here at value area highs, 2 bar reversal. This is a nice increase in buying volume here too, with an overwhelming green candle, right? So here's another one too. So this volume isn't the best, but again, that's coming off the back of this, right? So you have to look at it in context. It didn't work, but that's how I look at my trades. So going through point of control, which is this black line right here, we are below VWAP, so maybe that's something that I should really look to do is maybe take trades above VWAP instead, right? So we did enter. Where did we enter? We didn't enter at the top of that candle. Instead, we entered below it. So the top of that candle is 686. We ended up getting a fill at 685.50. We also got another fill at 680. And then I also got another fill at 688.50 here. Why did I get a fill at 688.50? Because of this candle, high green volume, high buying volume, closing above VWAP. I liked all of those things, but we lost. So we set our stop loss at 669.25, right? Which was below here. This candle, I didn't think we would have that that low after seeing this, but it just played out that way, right? So if we look and see, boom, I love that. Okay, top wick there, that's fine, right? We're still holding above point of control. I love to see it, right? We're steady here. Okay, big red candle there. That's not a good sign, but again, overall you're bullish, but then we just continue to sell off. Bounced very quickly, started bouncing again, and then we just got stopped out. So that kind of thing happens. It happens. It's a probability game. And I think that's what I've been loving about my trading in these last couple of days is that I'm just taking it as a probability game. I risked appropriately, lost $96 on that trade. It's fine. I only want to risk um, maximum $200 for any given trade, maximum. I don't want to go over that. $100 is better, right? So on this first one was $100, but on the next trade it was $170 because again, I thought we were gonna do well, but we didn't. So fine, we get stopped out. So I took some time to recollect, right? Just a few minutes or so, but I looked at that and I was like, that's probably buying climax. And I think I was right. It was buying climax, but it was just very minimal, you know? It was very minimal. So here, end up entering again, right? So where did I enter? Entered on, if we can look at it correctly here, 688 here, right? Why did we enter there? It's because of our bounce. Again, I love that candle. It's not as high volume, but that's fine. It doesn't have to be. Again, triple bottom this time, bouncing off value area low. Love to see that. continuation, right? So we end up getting in completely fine there. Point of control quickly shifted, but then here, boom, come up. I love to see it. I think I added here. Don't like that candle, but I love that candle here. Again, the volume's not the best, so that's an issue. But with the way price is going at this point, I'm like triple bottom off value area lows. Point of control is here, yes, right? But I believe that we can continue higher, but it just didn't work out that way. So here you see, ended up adding for the last time at 9 911 here. This is 825. So we were in this trade for a long time. I ended up watching some anime, doing a much better job setting alerts, doing a much better job um not looking at the trade as it's happening. So here we added here as well. I just wanted to add here. I believed in this trade, pulled back, heading back up, pulling back, but the trade never worked out, you know? A lot of up and down, in between point of control, in between value area lows. It never worked, right? So here I almost got stopped out at 9 o'clock. My stop loss was 662. It literally hit 662.25, so I got very lucky there. Again, I was thinking maybe we can continue. So I did add just one here at 670 at 911. Just wanted to see if we can start getting above here. There's no real rhyme or reason except it's low risk, high reward, right? But it didn't work. And it sucks that we got stopped out on this candle. This just happened. So we literally got stopped out on the volatility candle here. Um, and that's it. So trying only 2 trades a day. I'm not gonna spiral. I'm not gonna start throwing big NQ contracts to make my money back. You know, we just understand that trading is a probability game. I traded well again today, right? So maybe, as I continue to learn and maybe back test, I can say, okay, I should only take trades that are in the direction of the trend, that are forming maybe near point of control. And depending on the trend itself, if it's bullish above VWAP, if it's bearish below VWAP, right? So if we're clearly head and shoulders above VWAP, as you can see, right, then maybe you have a higher probability of taking that trade. If you're clearly head and shoulders below VWAP, right, then maybe I shouldn't take that trade. So, I mean, it was close here, but we never fully closed above it. We never went up, pulled back, retested, and continued, right? So, it's just something to think about. Um, Again, I'm not upset by this loss. It is what it is. It sucks to lose, of course, but I traded well, and that's 2 days in a row I've traded well. I've stuck to all of my rules. I've taken great trades as well. So that's 3 good trades. They resulted in losses, but it's my setup. It's how I like it. It's how I want it to be continuing on. So, yes, we did end up losing today. 8 trades taken, all 8 losses. Um, but I'm not upset. It's just one of those things that happens. So we just got to take it on the chin and we continue moving forward. So, yeah. Um, the anime I was watching, so the trading talk is over. I'm done. So this is just miscellaneous stuff. Uh, Victor Yap session. But the anime I was watching is Apocalypse Hotel. Only watched 1 episode so far. Um, Seems pretty good. Seems pretty good. Uh, Pretty cool premise as well. Definitely will be watching one more episode tonight before I go to bed, but I am so tired. I've lost so much sleep. Might be dropping a range learn to trade ranges with me episode 2 coming out this weekend. So most likely. So look out for that. Um, but yeah, I mean that's really about it. To be honest, I'm just really tired. World Cup has been going good too. Definitely have been enjoying that. It's been a really fun tournament, even though coming into it, I was just kind of like, ah, it's a waste of a tournament, but it has been really fun. We're going to get some good matchups in the round of 16, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Um, but yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm really tired, so hopefully you guys are having an awesome trading week. I did not have the best of weeks, right? Especially with the Sunday night trade. That was terrible. This was terrible. This wasn't, I don't even remember this one anymore. This one was my best trade, $40, and then we traded really well today too. I love the way we traded today. It just didn't work out, right? So, hey, things happen. Again, this could end up running all the way up to where I wanted it to, so 683, and then 690, and then 700, and then 710, and then 720. It could, but hey, it happens. This trade, maybe we're just too early. Maybe it just wasn't our time. It just didn't work out. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys are trading well. Hopefully, you guys are doing better than I am. And yeah, keep trading stoically.